On February 4th, 2023, ACIT students from the Hosa Club competed alongside 35 to 40 schools during the Hosa Regional Competition, held in Cumberland County Technical Education Center, Vineland.
Hosa stands for Health Occupation Students of America. They want students from the medical and dental field to be able to coordinate and go into competition. There's scholarships that are awarded if you become an officer on the state level, those kind of things.
It is a nationally recognized student organization backed by the U.S. Department of Education and the Health Science Education Division of ACTE. This recent competition presented medals to the 5 ACIT students who placed. Their advisors, Gabrielle Koslop and Jessica Crompton from the Dental Academy, supported and instructed them throughout the entire process.
Hosa offers a variety of skills that they can actually do at these competitions, that they can show the knowledge that they've learned while they've been here at ACIT.
Hosa is big on community service. We raise money for Shirley May breast cancer awareness. We have to raise our money for different organizations and things like that. So we're really committed to community service.
The students arrived at the competition, held in Vineland, with anticipation and mixed expectations.
I think, in fact, it exceeded my expectations because before competition, I was very nervous. I thought it would be really a lot more intimidating, but things were a lot more relaxed, and it wasn't all about the competition because we had other activities and stuff too. So it was actually really good.
We didn't really have expectations.
Yeah, we didn't have any expectations.
We were just scared. We just went in and we're like, what's gonna happen? I don't think we're gonna win. And we were confident about it.
Yeah, we were really nervous at first, but then we actually sat down and focused, and then I think that's why we did so good.
We went in and we were all put in a seating hall, and then they tell you to go to a specific room, and then it's just locked, and you go in there, you perform whatever scenario they give. We had 2 judges and a person. As an adult, we had a baby, infant, and then we just started.
The students were presented with a competition before, but some had never participated in it until this year. It had been held online for the past 2 years due to the COVID pandemic, and only returned to in-person this year.
Pathophysiology because it was really interesting, and this was my first time doing it too, and it was the most eye-catching to me. So I did it last year as well, and last year it was virtual because of COVID. So I had always heard good things about it. It's a really fun experience getting to meet all these people because there were hundreds of people at competition, and you see all these teachers and professionals and also students. So it's a really great experience, and I really wanted to get that feel of the in-person competition ones. So I decided to do it this year as well.
We studied a lot. We stayed after school every Wednesdays, Thursdays, Tuesdays. We stayed, and Jola, who came in first place, she was after school too. And then we had a lot of compliments on our advisors, Miss Crompton and Miss Kossop. They were really there. They provided us with all the skills. They helped us out. When we went in, a lot of people didn't have that. They had to buy their own products, or their advisors were literally their security guards.
Yeah, this is the first time it's been back in person in the last 2 years.
This is only regional competition. Those students who place 1 to 5th go to states.
So the state competition will be held in March. It's going to be on Sunday, March 19th. The students who did place first, or the ones who are going, they will be staying after school to practice their skills again and make sure that they're ready for the state competition level.
I'm Andrea Mimay-Canas for Red Hawk News.